Let me tell you something gently. If you're someone who cries easily, there is nothing wrong with you. In fact, there is something incredibly right about you. People like you don't cry because you're weak. You cry because things touch you too deeply to hide. A tone of voice, a soft moment, a memory that shows up unannounced, someone finally noticing you, or someone ignoring you when you needed them most. And maybe you've grown used to people saying, "You're too sensitive. Stop overreacting. It's not that deep." But here's what psychology actually says. Your tears aren't a sign of fragility, they're a sign of emotional clarity. You feel truth faster than others do, and your body speaks before you get the chance to shut it down. Stay with me, because once you understand it, you'll stop apologizing for your tears and start respecting them. Some people feel emotions like a soft echo. You feel them like a wave. Your nervous system is more open. Your emotional circuits respond quickly. Your heart reacts before your mind finishes analyzing. This isn't overreacting, it's deep reacting. Your tears appear when something becomes too real, too fast, too honestly for your body to pretend otherwise. Psychologists call this high emotional responsiveness, but it's really just your heart refusing to lie. Where others can numb things, you feel them. Where others shrug moments away, you absorb them. Where others disconnect, you lean in. You don't cry because you're weak. You cry because you're deeply, beautifully alive. People who cry easily have something rare, a nervous system that mirrors the world. You don't just observe emotions, you absorb them. A kind voice cracks, you feel it. Someone looks disappointed, it lands in your chest. Someone shares something vulnerable, your throat tightens with them. This isn't drama, it's empathy. You were built with a heart that refuses to go numb, even when numbing would be easier. You feel the exact things most people avoid feeling, and that doesn't make you weak, it makes you human in the highest resolution possible. You may not realize this, but your tears are your body doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Tears are emotional pressure leaving the system. They're your body saying, "I'm releasing this. I don't want to carry it." When you cry, you're processing, you're healing, you're letting go. People who don't cry aren't stronger. They're just holding things inside longer. Your system doesn't bottle emotions, it moves them. And that is one of the healthiest emotional traits a human can have. Crying isn't losing control. Crying is your version of staying whole. The world has spent years telling sensitive people to toughen up, to hide their tears, to act strong. But here's the part no one teaches. Crying easily is a sign of emotional intelligence, not emotional failure. It means you feel fully, you understand deeply, you connect honestly, you love with sincerity, you sense truth in people, you don't silence your intuition. You're not fragile, you're receptive. You're not weak, you're responsive. You're not too much, you're just real in a world that numbs everything. Your tears are proof that your heart works exactly the way it's supposed to. If you cry easily, don't apologize for it. Don't shrink it. Don't hide it. Don't call it weakness. You feel the world in ways most people have forgotten how to feel. Your tears make you honest. Your sensitivity makes you kind. Your expressiveness makes you brave. You are not too emotional. You are simply connected to your heart, to others, to the moment, to the truth. And in a numb world, that connection is your superpower.